Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about a human heart. So, human heart, we know that it is four chambered and it is mesodermal in origin, and it is covered with, the heart is covered with outer fibrous one and inner serous pericardium. So, inner layer is pericardial and outer pericardium, two layers are present. So inner layer is divided into outer parietal and inner visceral layer, and this the space, pericardial space between these layers is filled with the fluid. So that is pericardial fluid, which helps in the movement and it will remove the friction, so and helping in the movement also. So human heart contains the wall which is made up of outer epicardium, middle myocardium, inner endocardium. So outer epicardium is with the inner layer of the pericardium, it is connected with. So outer, middle and the inner epicardium, myocardium and endocardium will form the heart wall. Okay, so next, coming to the structure, we know that inner side, so the heart is divided into chambers. So how many chambers are present in the heart? Four chambers are present. Two small upper auricles or atria we call, and two lower larger ventricles they are. So upper are the two smaller ones and those are auricles. Lower region you can see the ventricles. So atria or auricles, if you see, they are the receiving chambers, they will receive the blood. Yes, right auricle is larger than the left auricle, and these two are separated with the septum with the small pores called as a foramen oval at the birth. Actually at birth it closes and form depression called fossa ovalis. Right atrium receive deoxygenated blood. Okay, right atrium receive deoxygenated blood, and it also receive from myocardium through the coronary sinus. Post caval vein opens through the eustachian wall. Pre-caval veins has no walls. So left auricle receive blood from lungs through the pulmonary veins, and right auricle receives from different parts through the caval veins, pre and the post. Ventricles, these are the pumping chambers. So atria and ventricles separated by the septum with the bicuspid or a mitral wall on left and tricuspid wall on the right. Two ventricles are separated by the, of course they are separated by the septum. Fine. So auricles are the receiving chambers, so ventricles are the pumping chambers. So here between these things the two walls, bicuspid as well as tricuspid walls are present, and all are separated with the special septums. So inner surface of the ventricles, which are divided into muscular ridges or columns called as columnae carnea. Some of these are called papillary muscles. Okay, papillary muscles. And here nodes, if you see, so two nodes are present. Sinoatrial node or pacemaker we call at upper corner of the right atrium near opening of the superior vena cava, it is present. And other one is atrioventricular node, left corner of the right atrium at lower side near the septum, it is present. So bundles of these nodal fibers called AV or His bundles, which divides into branches to form the Purkinje fibers. So here you can see sinoatrial, that is SA node, which is a pacemaker, and also atrioventricular node at the left corner of the right atrium, and SAN at the upper corner of the right atrium. You can see the two nodes with the fibers, excitable fibers. And aortic arches, two arches are present, pulmonary and systematic. Pulmonary arch left anterior of the right ventricle, what it will carry? Or deoxygenated blood to the lungs. So here in the diagram you can see the pulmonary arch, and systemic arch is also present. So systemic arch, which is present systemic arch at the left ventricle. From left ventricle it will transport the oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like it.